back to my channel. I hope all of you guys are safe and well. For those of you that are new, welcome to my channel. I'm so happy that you're here. So today I wanted to show you how I decorated my front porch using Dollar Tree items. I just spruced them up a little bit, and also you'll find some DIY projects within this video. Stay tuned to the end where you'll see how I put everything together. Now to start off, we are going to begin with this egg doormat. I purchased the rug at Dollar Tree. You're going to need one of the wooden ornament panes from Walmart. And what I'm doing here is I am going around the wooden ornament and using it as a template. Now you can put the eggs in whatever order you want. I just wanted them kind of like scattered around. Once you're done tracing your egg, we can begin to paint. I wanted to use pastel colors, so I'm going to use blue, pink, and yellow. And later on, I'm also going to be using a very light purple. To apply the paint, you're going to use a makeup sponge. I bought mine at the Dollar Tree. It comes in a package. I also went in with a cotton swab and dipped it into chalk paint. And in between the eggs, I decided to put white polka dots. And now for our second DIY, these egg signs. You're only gonna need white chalk paint and a makeup sponge, and you're just gonna apply the paint onto the sign. I only did it on one side, and I did 2 layers of the paint, but if you would like, you could also apply a clear coat so that way the paint is protected when you have it outside. And now for our third DIY, these egg planters. To begin, we are using the floral foam, 2 packages of the Spanish moss, which later we will be using as well in another DIY, the galvanized buckets, and 2 egg signs. Now we're going to remove the floral foam from the package. Also, you're going to need the hot glue gun to glue the foam into the galvanized buckets. Now we're going to place the egg signs in the bucket, and then we're going to take the Spanish moss and we're going to spread it out inside, making sure that we're covering everything and that you don't see the foam. Our next DIY is these flower planters. I got these, I want to say 2 years ago, and this year I just wanted to dress them up. I have here some gray pots that are made out of plastic from the Dollar Tree. It comes with 4 in a package. We're only going to be using 2. So I wanted to see what was underneath this green paper, and when I opened it, there was cement, which is awesome because that way I know that this will not be flying away and that I did not need to put in rocks to make sure that it was stable. I am going to replace some of the flowers on here and add some pink, and I'm gonna pop off the flower, and here I am basically taking the leaf from the flower and adding it on just to have some greenery and make it look more fuller. Now I only ended up just replacing the flowers, but if you wanted to add more, that could also be very cute as well. And that's pretty much it. And I grabbed some of the Spanish moss and I placed it inside it just to cover it up more. For our next DIY is this bunny egg pillow. I have an old pillow, some fabric from Dollar Tree, and some egg foam shapes, and you're also gonna need a hot glue gun. To begin, lay out your fabric, and yes guys, I know that it is wrinkled, but I wanted to get this video out for you guys, so I didn't iron it. And also, if you guys want to sew your covers, then you can do that as well, but I just wanted to do something easy and quick for you. So here I'm just hot gluing the edges together. Once you're done with the center of the pillow, you're going to take the ends of the fabric and you're just going to tuck them inside, or you can also glue it as well. Once you're done with that, now we can start placing our egg shapes. Now I didn't know what look I was going for, so I was playing around with this a little bit, And then I decided, you know what would be really cute is to personalize this pillow. So I figured, you know what, the eggs are gonna represent me and the girls. So I used 2 pinks to represent Genesis and Ariana, and the yellow was gonna represent me. Now here I am cutting out some bunny ears that I freehanded. I'm using a foam sheet in the color white and also a light glitter one. I always have this stuff around. I like to purchase them from Hobby Lobby because they have so many choices from colors and textures. So I am doing small ears, and then for me I'm doing them just a little bit bigger, and then you're just gonna hot glue them. And once you're done with your ears, now we can glue them onto the pillow. But before I do, I'm just placing them on and making sure that I like how they look. When you're gluing the ears, start from the bottom and tuck them behind the eggs, and then glue the tops of it so that way it's firmly placed. And then I wanted to do a cute little bunny tail, so I'm using this car cloth that you can get at the Dollar Tree, and I'm just hot gluing it into a perfect circle, and you're just gonna glue it onto the pillow, and that's pretty much it. And guys, now I'm super excited because you're going to see me decorate the porch and put all of these looks together.
This is what I am working with right now. These are all the things that I made. And here I ended up making a garland. All I ended up doing was stringing some string in the holes that were already in the eggs. And I just hung it up with these thumbtacks, the clear ones, and I just wrapped it around a few times just in case if it gets windy, it won't fall out. Another area that I'm going to be decorating. So I ended up making another garland to put in the front, and I might end up adding some decor at the bottom here. So let's get started. I added these solar lights that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I just took the bottoms off and I placed it into the basket so that way at nighttime I have some really cute lighting. That is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and on Snapchat. Make sure to give this video a like, it helps us out. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so that way you'll be notified every time we upload. And until next time guys, bye! Mwah!